Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Academy. In today's video, we will learn about Notepad, a very simple program in Windows. This video is perfect for beginners. Let's start. So what is Notepad? Notepad is a basic and simple text editor. With Notepad, you can write simple text, you can take down notes, and you can also save small files. There are actually four ways to open Notepad. The first way to open Notepad is through Start menu. To do this, click Start and then type Notepad and then press Enter. This is the easiest way for beginners. The second way is to open Notepad to Run. To do this, press Windows key plus R. This will open Run. And then just type Notepad and then press Enter. And then this will open Notepad instantly. The third way to open Notepad is to pin Notepad to Start menu. To do this, click Start and then search for Notepad. And then once you do that, just right click on Notepad and then click Pin to Start. Now you can open Notepad directly from Start menu. The fourth way to open Notepad is to pin the Notepad icon to the taskbar. To do this, click Start and then type Notepad. And then right click on Notepad and then just press Pin to taskbar. Now Notepad opens with one click from the taskbar. These are the four ways to open Notepad. When you open Notepad, this is the interface that you will see. This is called the menu bar. This is where you have the text tools, and this is called the status bar. The first menu in Notepad is the file menu. And the first option in the file menu is called New Tab. With this, you can open a new tab. Now, as you guys can see, we only have two tabs. If you need another one, come to File and click on New Tab. Now we have three. The next one is called New Window. New Tab opens a new tab in the same window, but New Window opens a new window. Now, as you guys can see, we have two windows. The next option is called New Markdown tab. This is the same thing as New tab, but once you click on that, you don't have the text tools. But if you click on New tab, here you got that text tools. The next option is called Open. Open, here you can upload your old documents where you can edit them here, your old files. The next one is called Recents. These are the things you have worked on in the recent. You have this, you can open them here. Whichever one you want to open, just click on it and it will open it for you. These are your recent files. The next one is called Save. Let's say I have this over here and I want to save this in my computer so I can open it next time or access it. Come to File and click on Save. Then it will ask you to choose a location on this side and you can give it a name over here. The next one is called Save As, which does the same thing as Save. But with Save As, you can save this file with a new name and with a different location. The next one is called Save All. Let's say you have text in all of these tabs and you want to save all of them with just one click. So you don't want to go through each one and press save. No, come here, click on File and then click on Save All. This will save the whole window, the whole tabs, everything you have in this whole document. It will save it for you. Here we'll ask you to choose a location, then you can give it a name. The next one is called Page Setup. Here you have the page setup. Before you want to print the page, you can
check the settings here. Here you can change the size of the paper. You can choose if you want the paper to be landscape or portrait. And you can also choose the margins. If you don't want the text to be close to the outline or the lines. Here you can choose it from the left, right, top, and bottom. And here it shows a preview. Let's say I want the margins from the top to be at 4. See, it shows the preview over here. Once you're done, just click OK. And then you can also add the header and the footer. Footer, whatever you want to be in the header and the footer. You can write the date in the footer, and you can also write the uh, time in the footer or header too. The next one is print. Here you can print your document. But first, it will ask you to connect a printer. If you don't see your printer over here, you can add your own printer over here. Add a printer. Then you can choose if you want the paper to be printed as a portrait or landscape. If you want to access more settings here, click on more settings. It will give you more settings. The next one is close tab. Let's say I have these tabs and I only need one tab or two. Here, let's say I don't need this tab anymore. Come to file and click on close tab. It will close the tab for you. Next, we have close window. With close tab, we only close one tab, but with window, we close the whole window. Let's say I have added this window and I don't need this anymore. Come to file and click on close window. This will close the whole window for you with the tabs. The next one is exit. This will exit or close the whole program, the notepad.
Window. The next menu is called the Edit menu. The Edit menu is used to change, fix, and format text in Notepad. The first option in Edit menu is called Undo. Let's say you have this text over here, and you accidentally deleted this, and you need it. It's important, you want it back. Just go to Edit and press Undo. Now it's back. This undoes the last action. The next option is called Cut. This removes the selected text and replaces it on the clipboard. Let's say you have this text over here, but you want this text to be at the top. Just select the text, go to Edit, and then press Cut. And then wherever you want to paste it, if it's at the first line in the middle, just go there and come back to Edit and press Paste. As you guys can see now, as it's at the top, it's not at the last line anymore. The next one is Copy. Copy does the opposite of Cut. Copy, let's say you have this text over here at the last line. You want this text to be at the top and at the bottom. Just select the text, go to Edit and press Copy. And then wherever you want to paste it, just go there, come back to Edit, and then click on Paste. Now it's at the bottom and at the top. It just makes it a copy of the text. The next one is Paste. Whenever you copy or cut something like text, just and you want to paste it somewhere or you want it to be there, just copy or cut it, just go wherever you want to paste it and just press enter and it will go there. The next one is called delete. Let's say you have some text and you don't want it. It's not important and you just want to remove it from the story or file. Just select the text that you want to be deleted and just come back to edit and then press delete. This will remove the selected text. The next one is called clear formatting. This removes the formatting and returns the text into normal style. Let's say you have this text over here and you wanted this text to be bold, italic, and you don't like it anymore. Now you want it back in the normal style. Just select the text, come to edit, and then just press clear formatting. Now it's back to its normal style. The next option is called define with being. Let's say you want to search up a word. Just select the word and go to edit and then press search or define with Bing. This will search the word online for you. The next option is called find. This option search for a word or phrase. Let's say you have this text over here and you are looking for a word and you can't find it. Just go to edit and then press find and then write the word you want to find and then it will show you where the word is. The next one is find next. Find next is also the same as find, but this one finds the next word. Like let's say you have two words exactly the same. If you press find, it will find only one, but if you press find next, it will find the other one for you. The next one is find previews. This finds the previous match. It goes back. The next option is called replace. This replaces a word, a phrase, or with another. Let's say you have a word in this text and you want to replace it with something else. Just go to edit, click on replace. Write the word that you want to replace and then write the word that you have in the text and it will automatically replace the word for you. The next one is go to. This jumps to a specific line number. Let's say you have a lot of lines in the text and you want to go to line 30 or 20 or 10. Just go to and then select lines and then pick a line where you want to go. Line 2, line 3, line 4, and then just press OK or go, and then it will take you to that line. The next one is called select all. This selects all the text in the document, everything that you have in the file or the document, the whole text. The next one is called time and date. This will insert the current time and the date for you. You don't have to write them by yourself. Just click on it and it will insert the time and the date. The next one is font. Here you can change the font style, the font size, and font type.
The next menu is called the view menu. In the view menu, the first option is zoom. Zoom where you can zoom in and zoom out. If you want to make the text bigger, just click on zoom in. And if you want it smaller, which is zoom out. Zoom out it is the opposite of zoom in. Zoom in makes it closer or bigger, and zoom out makes it smaller. The next one is restore default zoom. Let's say you have zoomed in a lot and you want it back in the normal style and the normal zoom. Just click on this and it will go back to its normal position.
The next option in View is called the status bar. This is called the status bar at the bottom. If you want this to be visible, just come to View and check mark it. If you don't want it to be visible, just click on it one more time. Now it's gone. And if you want to bring it back, just click on View again and click on the status bar. Now you can see it again. The next option in View is the word wrap. Let's say you're writing a sentence over here. As you can see, when it gets here, it automatically starts a new line. But if you want it to keep going, 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 and you don't want it to stop, just come to view and then click on this one more time. Now it's keep going. It's not starting a new line anymore. Now we have this another scroll bar at the bottom where you can scroll to the right and to the left.
That's all for today. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe to the channel for more easy computer lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.